Drivers who are planning to travel along Interstate 20 this weekend need to be aware of some lane closures that are taking place due to repairs. Multiple bridge deck repairs along I-20 between mileposts 191 and 192 have resumed, and they will continue through the weekend. Those ongoing repairs will require the inside lane eastbound and the outside lane westbound to be closed, and it's causing some traffic delays. All traffic lanes will be reopened to the public no later than 6 p.m. Sunday. Until then, the Alabama Department of Transportation encourages drivers to find an alternate route.